Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make 3D map rotate and flag pin animation with Elements 3D in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer. Add name Elements 3D and color black and OK. So go to FX, Video Copilot, Element. Go to Project and let's import map and flag textures. Let's right click, import file. So we have flag texture, this is PNG, and world map, this is Illustrator file. Okay, first one, choose this world map. Let's drag and drop this icon for create new composition. And choose world map, press S, change scale, and zoom to Italy. Let's zoom to more. And in this time, for better quality, choose this vector file and click this icon for turn on better quality. And here we go. If you don't see this part, you can click toggle switch mode. So in this time, let's back to map rotate and choose world map composition, drag and drop into composition. And let's hide, choose element, go to FX control and go to custom layers, open custom texture map and choose layer 1 world map. And go to scene setup. So in this time, go to create and choose plane. Let's change plane size and go to plane. Let's open inside, choose default material and go to texture. Let's click non-set diffuse and click this icon, choose custom layer 1 world map and click OK. So in this time, let's go to create and choose new cylinder and let's change cylinder size, radius. Okay, it's done. I will use 3 cylinders and 1 plane. So in this time, let's click OK and back to project, choose this flag texture, drag and drop into composition and hide for now. Go to Elements 3D and again go to texture map. Let's choose layer 2 flag texture PNG. Back to scene setup and go to plane model. Let's open, choose material and diffuse. Let's choose here flag texture and OK. So go to down and change some settings. For example, we can change the reflection. OK, and glossiness for a little bit matte. And environment. Okay, go to presets and physicals. Let's use metal diffuse here and here. Okay, not bad. So let's go to click this icon and enable show ambient occlusion for realistic shadows. Okay, time to make reflection. Choose this plane, this is map plane, and go to click this icon, reflect mode, and go to mode. Let's choose here mirror surface. And here we go, we have reflection and we can control this reflection, choose material and change glossiness like this. I will keep this 90. Okay, so click environment for see background images and go to environment backlights and let's try to use backlight for more lighting or this. Okay, not bad. Click OK and let's create new camera tool. Right click new and camera. For presets I will use 35mm. Click OK and press C, change view and zoom to this Italy. Okay, in this time choose this Elements 3D and go to world transform, open world rotation and let's create Y rotation world and press U for see active keyframes. Go to 10 seconds and let's write here 1. Let's see. Okay, this for loop animation. So we have a little bit problem. Let's fix it. We can't see flag texture in other side. Let's go to scene setup and flag model. As you can see here, 2 sides plane. Let's enable and now we can see 2 sides texture. Let's see difference. Okay, Let's click OK. And here we go, it works. So in this time, go to render settings and ambient occlusion. Let's enable ambient occlusion for shadows and intensity change 10. And for fix these black colors, let's change this gamma 2. And here we go, it works. Also, let's open physical environment for change this reflection images. Let's open rotate environment and create Y rotation keyframe and choose this elements 3D, press U4C, new active keyframes, and go to last keyframe, change rotation 1. Okay, now we can see background reflections is rotating. Nice. It looks so realistic. Okay, in this time, let's go to lighting and we can choose here light style. For example, let's choose cinematic light. Okay, not bad. I like it. And best part, camera depth of field. Let's choose camera. Let's open inside camera option and depth of field. Let's turn on and change quality quarter and aperture. Change for more blur. So let's change focus distance. Okay, let's see on full. So in this time, I will control this focus distance in manually with keyframes. Let's create new focus distance. Go to here, change distance to Italy text. Let's see on full. Okay, go to here. Nice. Again, let's create new focus distance. Go to some keyframes and change like this. And first keyframe, let's copy paste. Okay, not bad. And we can add some flags here, one here and one drop here and one here for better results. Okay guys, let me show another version. Let's go to project and map rotate. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's open and choose elements 3D, press U and rotation keyframe. Let's remove like this. Okay, in this time, let's create rotation keyframe and change rotation like this. And go to 6 seconds, press N for select work area and change rotation to right. So choose this reflection and move to here and also change this 0 and this 41. Okay, in this time choose camera, press U, remove focus distance and let's change distance to flag and create new keyframe. Go to here, let's move to left and now we can see Italy text. Let's change quality full. Okay. And in here we can see Italy text. Nice.